Listing Wizard Rapid Listings. Hi guys, now that you've successfully connected your eBay account, you are ready to list items. There are several ways to do this in SaleFreaks. In this video, we will cover the Listing Wizard. With the Listing Wizard, you will be able to rapidly list a number of ASINs or Amazon Standard Identification Numbers, or to import a URL that covers multiple items that you can list on eBay. To get started, go to your Amazon account and search the following ways. First, you can look for a specific ASIN to copy. Second, you can search keywords and copy the URL. Or third, you can use one of Amazon's grouping options and copy that URL. Once you have copied your ASIN number or URL, go to SaleFreaks and click on Listing Wizard from the top navigation. Then click the New button. Paste your ASIN number or URL and click Next. Under Competition, there are two paths you can choose with the Listing Wizard. The first option is called Speed Search, that takes you right into the last step of listing items based on the parameters you provided. You will need to provide a tag. A tag is a way to categorize for the listing. Then either set a maximum items to list or choose to list all. Make sure you note the number of items in your search before you complete this setting. The second option is Search and Compare, which will add an extra step in enabling you to create a filter to screen out items that are not selling well on eBay. You can filter by rank and several other options. You can then click Next, which will take you to the Generate screen, where you can choose a tag and number of items to list, just like in the speed search. Once you click Generate, our system will start listing the items on eBay, and sales will follow.